Hello, Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Welcome to Yusra's Kitchen. Today, I am going to share a delicious recipe of chili cheese pasta. So, let's get started. The ingredients are 2.5 cups of pasta, tomato, 1 chopped. You can chop roughly or finely. Half capsicum chopped, any color you can take. Onion, 1 chopped. Salt as per your taste. Black pepper powder, about a 1.5 teaspoon here I am taking. Dried red chilies, crushed, 2 in number. If you don't eat spice, then you can use about a tablespoon of corn flour, half a cup of butter, chopped or cut into pieces. Now I'm taking here about half cup of milk, but I'm going to divide in 2 cups. I'm taking 2 tablespoons in 1 cup, and in another cup I'm going to take quarter cup of milk. So basically milk half cup. We are going to use this milk for making white sauce. And also we are going to take oil, olive oil, and sunflower oil, because I'm going to add chicken, marinated chicken. Now if you want to avoid marinated chicken or like meat, you can avoid. I'm adding here chicken. I have just marinated it for about 15 minutes with a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of red chili, and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves with buttermilk, and I'm going to later fry it. This is optional. You can always use vegetables or anything of your choice. So these are the ingredients. It's very simple ingredients and very tasty recipe. Of course, cheese, about 150 grams I'm going to use here. Now take a medium saucepan, add butter, let it get melt. Keep your stove at a low point and take the corn flour, add the milk, 2 tablespoon milk into the corn flour and mix it to make a slurry, and add the slurry into the saucepan and continuously vigorously mix it or beat it. So if you do not beat it, then there will be lumps, so make sure to continuously beat it, and then add the leftover milk and add black pepper. Now you can see here I'm continuously beating it because we don't want lumps. Make sure to continuously mix it and then add spices. Continuously you have to beat it. This is the way you can make the sauce very smooth and shiny and thick. And basically I don't want a thick one, so I'm going to add more milk at this stage. And I'm going to add cheese. I'm going to add half a cup of cheese here and vigorously beat it. Basically my white sauce is ready. It's been cooked and boiled and ready. Now in another vessel I'm going to add half of the vessel of water with 2 teaspoons of salt and a tablespoon of oil. And then we are going to add in that vessel pasta. In another pan I have added oil, 2 tablespoons, and I'm sidewise I'm keeping the stove on, and in another pan I'm going to fry the chicken. When the water is really hot, as you can see, I have added the pasta. And in the other side, I have just cooked my chicken by frying it on both the sides. Now my chicken is ready. My pasta is also ready. I have just strained the pasta into the strainer, you can see. And as it is strained, add a little of oil so they do not get sticked. In another pan, I'm taking oil and all the vegetables, and I'm going to fry the vegetables and add the salt here, and of course the pasta, and I'm going to mix it all. And now let it cook for about a minute, 2 to 3 minutes. And our oven dish, we are going to take and add the sauce, white sauce, then pasta. Basically we are going to layer it one by one with then chicken, then sauce, then pasta, and then sauce, and then basically cheese on the top. This is so easy, and you can do this in a vessel and close the lid and cook it for about 15 minutes. Or you can do as I am doing. I'm layering it in an oven dish and I'm keeping it about 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. And after that, my sauce, white sauce, chicken pasta, cheesy, spicy recipe is ready. I hope you like it. Enjoy it as a snack, as a dinner, whatever, whenever. It's so easy and quick and satisfying meal, and really very tasty. Hope you subscribe and comment. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Stay healthy, stay best.